The lionesses brace for a fight, but they won't start one. The males taste the air and savor the scent of what will soon be their pride. But they don't attack. Overwhelmed by curiosity, young Ada tests the waters. It's a mistake. Mother marks the male. As Kali moves toward her cub, every muscle ready to fight. Ada escapes unharmed, but now it's war. The lionesses will risk their lives to protect the cubs. They stay low and submissive, but they do not back down. Have made their intentions clear. They leave the volatile lionesses for now, but they'll be back. The cubs may not survive another attack. The pride needs a miracle.